even know what to do. Ah!
I do. 2 seconds. Yeah.
Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. It's not working. The bread is not working. Yeah, because we want loot.
Let's try the window. Right, put the blinds open that window because it's
Yeah, that's a smart idea. Oh, I don't like you at all. Go, go, go! Be free!
So close. You're so close, man. You're so close.
Oh, why are you such a dumb cunt? Get it! Rah! 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 Oh.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Rah!
You gotta get the wings back to get out. Fucking hell. I think it's injured.
Rah! I wouldn't be surprised. He's been stuck in the fucking... Right, up to Daisy, we run. Come on. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Use the bag. Yeah, fucking put on me.
Up to Daisy, up to Daisy, up to Daisy, up to Daisy. Go up. Oh, thank fuck you got your bread, cunt.
Yeah, that maybe wasn't the best idea. I was supposed to go out the fucking thing.
Now he's stronger. Are we definitely recording this? Because I want this for posterity. Yeah, we are. Right, okay.
Right. He's going left, she's going right. I'm worried this fucking
Right, let's channel my inner Steve Irwin. Rocky, come here, little buddy. Come here. Get in.
That's not hard. No, you good. No. Right, can this open from the outside as well?
I got him.
Okay, you got him. You got him.
Go away.
Be free! Fucking close. Fucking Jesus Christ.
He's eating your bread.
Now let's be friends with him.